Watch out.
Okay, so which ones do you love the most?
Let's go.
Hi everyone, I know you missed me. My name is Lizette for all of you who are new, and for all of you who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review. In this color contact lens review, I do have some lenses that I wanted to try from Just4kira. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, Just4kira. I absolutely love your lenses. The four I will be reviewing in this video are Grace Brown, Grace Green, Vision Hazel, and Eyra Blue. Here you are. I hope you enjoy, and let me know which ones you love the most. So which ones were your favorite and why? I'm gonna get into all four lenses, tell you which ones I absolutely love the most and which ones I liked the least, as well as show you up close shots as I usually do. But first, here is my coupon code with Just4kira. I will put it up on the screen right here. I have reviewed so many lenses from them here on my channel. I will link some of those videos up above as well as in the cards after this video, just so you can check out different reviews in case you are interested in some of their lenses. I've reviewed colors such as SL70 brown, I've reviewed SL29 green, SL29 brown. I've given my thoughts and opinions on so many different colors and collections that they have. I've also reviewed my favorite Vision Green colored contact lenses from them. So you can check out previous videos to get an idea of what I think about Just4kira's lenses. Make sure you check out Just4kira. They have so many different colored contact lenses, so many different collections. I absolutely love their lenses. They always have sales going on as well. And you can definitely use my coupon code, get some extra money off, and enjoy your lenses from them. Now, for the four lenses that I selected, let me tell you which ones were my favorite first. I absolutely love the Eyra Blue that I'm wearing right now, as well as the Vision Hazel. Those two were my favorite. The ones that I didn't like as much were the Grace Brown as well as the Grace Green. Let me explain why. Now, for the Vision Hazel, I absolutely love them. They are the prettiest shade of hazel. They are more on the brown side as opposed to hazel on the green side. You know, hazel lenses can be either more on the brown side or the green side. These are definitely more on the brown side, as you can see in the natural lighting clips that I put for all of the lenses. I just did them in natural lighting. And you can see up close they are very, very pretty. These lenses are like a coffee colored, hazelnut colored lenses. They are very, very pretty. The color is very, very pretty. It reminds me of coffee or hazelnut. It's super, super, super pretty, and I absolutely, absolutely love them. They are very, very comfortable. I don't even feel that I have them on or anything like that. They are just super pretty in natural lighting. I think they'll go nice with any makeup look, every makeup look. And they're just overall a very, very natural, subtle, pretty shade of hazel. The next color that I like are the ones that I'm wearing right here, the Eyra Blue. I was kind of a little bit skeptical when I put these on because I didn't know if the blue was going to be too opaque, too bold, too unnatural looking, but I absolutely, absolutely love them. I think they look very, very pretty. They look very, very nice. They stand out, but they're still very, very subtle, which I absolutely love, especially you can see from the up close shots here. They're very, very subtle and natural, but also very, very pretty at the same time. They're like an ocean blue mixed with a little bit of sky blue, like the blue sky when you look up. It looks very, very pretty, and they blend very, very well with my eyes, and they're also very, very comfortable. All of these lenses are very comfortable, I will say. Now let's get into the two I didn't really like too much. The Grace Brown and the Grace Green. I really thought I was gonna like the Grace Brown, but I think it looks very, very unnatural on me. I will say once I did my makeup and did my hair and the whole entire look came together, they were pretty, but they're not my shade of brown, I think. That's what I think I mean. Like, they're not like a nice, muted, natural, soft looking brown. They're very, very bold and opaque. But if you like that color brown, then I'm sure you will like these lenses. They just weren't my cup of tea. They're very, very like a, I guess you could say like a iced coffee type of brown. They're very, very bright and bold and opaque, but it's not really my favorite shade of brown. Now for the Grace Green, I actually did like the color. It's more like a lime light green, but I just didn't like how the pupil hole blends with my eyes and everything like that. These lenses just weren't my favorite from the Grace collection, but if you like these lenses, let me know in the comment section down below which lenses do you like the most. Do you like the Grace Brown and the Grace Green, or do you like the Eyra Blue and the Vision Hazel more? Let me know in the comment section down below which ones are your favorite and why. Also, which ones do you have from Just4kira? Which lenses do you suggest I try out? I absolutely love working with them, and their lenses are so pretty, super affordable. They always have sales going on, like I said, and they have so many different colors and collections, so make sure you check them out. All right, that is it for this video. I missed you guys so much, but I'm back from vacation, and now we are back to giving you some colored contact lens reviews, as well as some fun content. So make sure you check out my previous video. I've reviewed the Vision Green ones here before from Just4kira, as well as a few other lenses from them. So let me know what you think about these videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Let's go.